Colin, do you want to take us on a showroom tour?
Yeah. Well, I was pointing out I like how now the running boards are black.
Yes, so
Package Magno, they don't get like pitted or destroyed by the salt like the aluminum ones did.
So Colin, you have a VIP here. What's going on down here? Little
Fuzzies from the ceramic.
little fuzz. Gotcha.
We have Goodyear all-season tires as well now, which is huge.
Yeah, so that just to add to the confusion of apparently these only coming in with performance tires, and now one shows up with all-season tires, so that's wonderful.
Nice new interior.
I like this because this is a way for those of you that want to include platinum on your interior without running the risk of it getting filthy dirty. This is a nice option. A-band. This is a non-diamond stitch interior as well, which I think looks great. And you probably saved about, what, $9 grand not going diamond
no
stitch?
carbon fiber. We did the black ash Designo wood.
And I like that. The black ash Designo wood, kind of having a hard time seeing it here. But very, very nice. Open grain manufacturer interior package. I like it. Turned out very nice.
I like the nice little surprise, though, with the all-season tires.
Yeah, that is cool. Love the black running boards.
I think the other thing is that for everyone looking, all these cars are getting prepped for the Cleveland Auto Show. We like to do white cars just so they don't get destroyed when they are, because they are going to be open for people to sit in, get a feel for, things of that nature. So probably have one of everything here. So
Yeah.
I'm hoping our wagon, your old demo, finds a home after the auto show, because this is a smoking deal right now.
I agree. This was the E-Class wagon that I drove for a couple months. Really loved this car. Has the sienna brown interior. They're all locked up, but you can get a look at that nice brown interior in there. What else do we have? We have a GLE 350. Catalana beige interior, which is a new interior for several of our models. It's kind of like a butterscotch caramel type beige. Have a nice GLC 300 with the AMG line here. Easy way to tell AMG line on a Mercedes is look for the stars in the grille. That tends to tell you that it's an AMG line car.
We can walk around this way then and get a good glimpse of the other. Couple CLEs, which are a little surprising. I think these have really not found its niche yet in our market. We really haven't sold that many of these.
Well, you have to understand, Colin, there's fewer and fewer Americans buy coupes and convertibles, and the ones that do tend to step up to a performance variant, because I would say that we've sold the CLE 53s quite well.
We have, but I mean, like the 300s, we have great programs on these this month.
Yep.
Leftover. These are all leftover 24s. This night black Magno, this polar white on red, this white on black. These are really, really good deals, leftover 24s.
Yep, so we're sending 2 CLE 300s to the auto show, 1 coupe, 1 cabriolet, and then
CLA 35.
CLA 35, fun car here.
And then obviously the big boy S580 with the red interior.
Yes, I love what we're sending here. We've got a nice white S580 with night package, black wheels. This has the red interior. Again, going to be kind of hard to see. I apologize, all of these are locked up. We have our 4x4. We have...
It's funny to see the size difference between a 63 regular.
It really is. It's a little hard to tell on camera here, but G63s, when they're by themselves, look so big and imposing. But when it is next to a 4x4, it really does look pretty tiny by comparison. It's pretty amusing, really. So you've got a 63 regular here and the 4x4 right next to it. Just truly a massive size difference.
A nice couple other vehicles. These are all sold, going to new homes. This is going on a truck. That's going on a truck. That's being picked up Thursday.
G580, GLS.
Again,
oh, this is our friend, wanted non-AMG line again.
Yep, didn't want AMG line, but he wanted the Catalana and heads-up display, which is nice. You can use heads-up display as a standalone option again on GLSs and GLEs, which is nice.
I saw that. Why do we have the suspension raised up?
I have no idea.
Always looks silly when you see a GLS that's standing tall like that.
And our lovely rear-wheel drive Twilight Blue on brown QS 450.
Yeah, what's this one doing over here? Did they just move this because it was in the showroom?
Yeah.
So for anybody who's interested, we did end up with, we had a repeat client of ours in Florida who's bought several cars from us, and he custom built this EQS. Really beautiful car. This actually has a new, let's see if it's unlocked. It is. A new manufacturer interior. This is, what do they call this one? This is, it's not Tartufo. They call it something different.
I can't think of the name now.
And it's not espresso either. It's,
No.
yeah, it'll come to me. But this is a really, really special interior. You can see it's got the manufacturer badge here. That indicates to you that it is a special edition. We have our nice pillows, which some people think they get in the way. I personally love them. I think they're absolutely just amazing. And then you've got the two-tone steering wheel. But this is a rear-wheel drive EQS, and what ended up happening is, for whatever reason, it experienced a production delay, which doesn't happen often, but when it does, it can sometimes stretch on for weeks to even months. And he just couldn't wait any longer, so we had to find another, another solution for him. And as a result, we now have an EQS 450 rear-wheel drive, which we wouldn't normally have for our market. So that one's heavily incentivized because we'd like to move on to it. No, it's a tough sell to have a rear-wheel drive car here in Cleveland, even though with the right tires it would do just fine in the wintertime, but not a car that we would typically stock if we were building it for our inventory. So if anybody down south needs an EQS and needs a screaming deal, we've got one for you. But that is a little tour of the showroom as it stands currently, getting ready for the Cleveland Auto Show, which starts at the end of this month. And we will be there with all of these cars. We will have a representative there the entire time during the show. So if you're local in Cleveland, obviously we'd love to see you there. And if you're considering a Mercedes-Benz down the road, we'd love to connect with you at that time, show you the different cars, introduce you to some of our team members, and then maybe we work with you down the road, which would be super cool. We'll do a longer, more thorough video kind of giving you a full tour of the dealership. We have two facilities. We've got this building here. We have another one across the street that is our CPO building. That's where all of our used car business is done. We're very landlocked where we are right now, but because the showroom is in such disarray, stacked with these cars getting ready to leave for the auto show at the end of this week, it's a little hard to maneuver around. And we do have a lot of clients milling about as well, and I don't want to get in their way, but would love to be able to show you the two different buildings. Also our service department, our service lane, and it is painfully cold outside today. It's less than 10 degrees, so not a great day to be walking about, but definitely want to be able to give you the full tour so that anybody that is unfamiliar with Mercedes-Benz of North Olmsted or is considering doing business with us at any point down the road, you can have an idea of kind of what the layout is and what you can expect if you do come to visit us here in person. So again, my name is Doug Horner, BenzsandBowties. I appreciate all of your support. Please make sure that you like, give the thumbs up, follow, subscribe for more content like this, dealership behind the scenes, what really goes on in the sales manager's office, and all things Mercedes-Benz related, general automotive content, tips, tricks, help buying and selling, all of the above. Thank you so much for your support.